Hello to my favorite people. You guys loved my last video about an ad strategy that I use, so I wanted to share another one with you, get straight to the point. For those of you that are new, my name is Jenny Hansen Lane. I've been scaling Amazon low content books, journals, planners, workbooks on Amazon since January of 2022. You can see here that over the past 2 years, I've spent $25,000 and I have sold $139,000 in my ads account. This does not account for organic sales. As we know, when you do the proper keyword research, you're able to increase your profits. Let's talk about this winning ad strategy. This is called my best selling book strategy. Okay, you can see that up in the corner. I'm going to lay out what I do step by step for this book. Okay, so this is something that could be an advanced strategy for you, something I would call next tier. If your books are not getting organic sales, you might save this video, like and subscribe, and come back to it when you are getting organic sales, okay? So essentially what I would like to show you with this next tier process is I have my best-selling book, right? What I am setting up is a manual lottery ad. A manual lottery ad means that I am going to target my best-selling book to a very specific amount of targets, okay? Inside of this campaign, you can decide on a daily budget. I'm doing a high budget. I'm doing over $100, maybe $500, maybe even $5,000. The most I have tested this is a $4,000 daily budget, okay? To manage this so you don't overspend, you saw that I've only spent $25,000 in 2 years, okay? So that rounds out to be, I don't know, $1,000 a month, maybe? And it's grossed me a lot of royalties. So when you're doing this high daily budget, you need to do a bid amount that is low bid. And you've seen previous videos where I talk about low bid because you're able to scale slowly. That is my favorite way to success. Slow and steady. I didn't become any of this overnight, but every night something happened, okay? So what we're going to do here is I have my best-selling book, right? My best-selling book is on Amazon. Then I am going to do a lottery ad that's manual. So I'm going to pick my top 3 books that I want to sell that are in the same niche as my top selling book, okay? Now what this does is it places your book inside of the carousel. Let's take a pause on this really quick, and let's dive over to Amazon, and I will show you what I mean with this strategy. Okay, so when you have a best-selling book, you really want to lean into that niche and create books that are companions to that, complements. That is really your clue to lean into that niche, okay? And so let me show you an example of how this would work. We're talking about a best-selling book. You can see that here. And then you're going to create 4 or 5 books that support this book. And then you're going to run ads to this book only, right? But you're using the brand new books that you created, and you're doing high bid, low budget. And then what happens is similar, okay, they will start showing up in the ads carousel. You can see here that it shows 1 through 4. Let's go down to the ad spot, okay. 1 through 4, 1 through 3 here of pages. So being able to do this, it doesn't actually look like anyone is running ads to this particular book in that way. Otherwise, we would see something that says sponsored ads, okay? So I want you just to think about this. We are taking, I'll go back to my other slide. We are taking our books that are similar to this one, our best-selling book. We're running ads to that book, and we're running 4 or 5 books to one book, okay? And then they're showing up here, so customers are in our ecosystem and they're purchasing from us. Okay, so let's dive into the rest of this. Now that you've seen how this looks on Amazon, that was an organic strategy that self-publisher is using because they have dialed in their keyword research. When I began this, I had a best-selling book and I wanted multiple best-selling books. And so I created something, I call this the book product catalog, where the books are similar, they're substitutes, they're complements, they work together, okay? So let me show you this example. If you need to pause this video to set up your ads campaign, I'll go slow so we get it. But I want to show you, it is being in the ecosystem of Amazon ads. No one is doing low content ads like this. And that's why I love teaching it, because you get really low ACoS with a manual lottery ad of your own books. Okay. So let me just walk you through this. So we have the best-selling book, right? And we have our next tier books that support that best-selling book. If the customer likes the style, the chances are they want to come back and buy something similar and over and over and over again. You don't have to go publish in different niches. You don't really have to get complicated. You need to focus on what is working. And a lot of people make this mistake. They bounce around. They don't publish in one area. The majority of my royalties have come from one niche, and it is much easier to get a book designed and published when you focus on one niche. Okay, so let me break down this in the advertising dashboard. So you are always going to do a sponsored product with this campaign. So you'll click on the blue button, and then when it comes to the ad format, we're actually going to click standard ad. Right now, custom text ad is marked, but we're going to do standard ad because we already have everything that we need in our title, our subtitle, our series, our pen name, and our book description, along with our back end hidden 7 keyword slots, right? Okay, so when you get to products, you're going to find those next tier books, the ones that really support your best-selling book, the one that you want to become best-selling books next, right? You can see on the right-hand side where it says add, you're going to add 3. Now, I wouldn't do more than 5 because the carousel is a certain size for every different ads page, okay? So you could do a bunch. I've done that before, but it seemed like 3 to 5 is a great start for lottery ads for this. When I say lottery, I mean your lottery is made up of your 3 books and you are targeting the best-selling book, okay? So once you click add, then you're able to go down and pick your targeting. When you do decide to target, we're doing a manual target, and we are targeting our own ASIN, okay? Our own best-selling book. What this does is it lowers the ACoS, it lowers the cost per click, and it lowers the amount that you need to spend. And so you see the impressions, and it becomes this beautiful ecosystem. I always talk about walking into a bookshop, finding someone that you love and buying all their work. That's what we're doing with this ad, okay? So you're going to put in the ASIN. It will pull up the product of the best-selling book. You'll click add, okay? And then when you get down to the campaign, this is where we will set a daily budget, and you'll be able to set your bid amount to slowly scale up to outspend your competitors and be able to get really low cost per click, okay? So if you need more ad strategies, please, please, please like and subscribe so you don't have to do it alone. And I'm always offering different types of masterclasses and a full A to Z coaching program that really helps you figure out this ecosystem for yourself. Okay. So I love you guys. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video.